Welcome back. We can now expect our notification and transaction email sent from within this WordPress installation to be deliverable and to be deliverable with the email address that we have specified. So one of the things that we can do is we can now add new users, and we add that new user, give them a username and password. They should get an email from our new address. And so what we're going to do now is we're just going to add this new user. And so now what we want to do is we want to go and see our transactional email from this email address. And we can see now that our WordPress emails are now coming from our verified domain from within Amazon SES, and they're coming through WordPress. And this is what we want because we want the reliability of Amazon SES. We also want the single identity of our email address. Okay, so with that, thanks, and I will see you in another video.